Hello guys, welcome to NS Lectures YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain what is key range and what is key size. Before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel. And friends, I have uploaded complete information security tutorials. I will provide link in description. You can watch from there. Let's start our video. See, if an attacker gain access to the encrypted message, then this attacker try all the possible keys within the key range and get original data. See for example, if attacker got your encrypted message, so what attacker do is, see, encrypted message mean encoded message, that is protected message. See, if this attacker get access to the encrypted message, then he try all the possible keys within key range and get original data. This is an example. For example, you are user. See, this is your Facebook account. There is your username and password. For example, password is 1234. So attacker got your password. So what this attacker do is, attacker try all the possible combination within the key range. See, key range is 1234. So what this attacker do is, see, this attacker tries to perform all the combinations. See for example 000000001, like that he perform all the combinations like 1234. At last he get 1234. See, attacker, there is so much time taken in order to get this password. See, but there are so many algorithms which are available in order to perform encryption and decryption. So by using these algorithms, you can easily get the password of user. This is because the algorithms associated with encryption and decryption are publicly available, and there are number of ways in which he captured the encrypted data. See, therefore it is very important to design a key with appropriate key range. See, that means, see, as I said before, there are so many algorithms available in internet in order to get password of users, in order to break encrypted message. So what we should do is, we should keep strong passwords with key range is very high. See, we should keep very long password such that password should contain numbers and alphabets and as well as some special characters. So if we try to keep this password, attacker cannot break our passwords. See, for instance, consider encrypted message whose encryption key is in number in range of 0 to 100 billion. Then the attacker starts from 0 and try all the possible combination within the key range. See this example, you can clearly understand. See, ciphertext is nothing but encrypted message. So in first attempt, attacker enters 0 as password and he do not get the password. Similarly, he try all the possible combinations till he get original password. So see, at last, at this attempt, at nth attempt, he get the original password. So this is a way how attacker performs. See, for example, if password is 010, so in first attempt attacker enter 001, in next attempt attacker enter 002, so on 008, and at last attacker enters 010. That means at 10th attempt this attacker get password. See, this is first attempt. In a first attempt this attacker entered 1, in next attempt attacker entered 2, and similarly at last 10th attempt attacker enter 010. So see, there is 1 2 3 3, so this is how attacker try to get password of, attacker try to break encrypted message. As I said, see, if you keep password as 10, that is small size, if you keep password in small key size, so attacker can easily hack your message. So always try to keep password with high key range so that attacker cannot hack your message. See, typically key range is measured in terms of key size. See, key range is nothing but a combination of zeros and ones. See, key range is in bit. As I said before, bit means combination of zeros and ones, which is in the form of binary number, and key size are 40, 56, 128, etc. These are the key sizes. See, for example, see, 1 bit key size is 1 bit key size mean 0 or 1, whereas 2 bit key size mean 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Similarly, see, increasing the 1 bit key size doubles the number of possibilities. As I said, see, for one bit possibilities are 2. Similarly, for 2 bits possibilities are 4. See, like that, if we increase 1 bit, possibilities are getting doubled. So now if 30 bit key is get cracked in 5 hours, then 31 bit is going to get cracked in 10 hours. So for example, if hacker want to crack 30 bit key, so what is time taken? Time taken is 5 hours. Similarly, if you want to crack 31 bit, time taken is 10 hours. Like that, time also getting doubled. So if for 32 bit, time taken is double of 10, that is 20 hours. So that always we need to select high key range in order to protect our password. So if we keep high key range, hacker cannot hack our password. So this is known as key range and key size. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and friends, I have uploaded complete information security tutorials. I will provide link in description. You can watch from there.